Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I wanted to share with you a remote control car. It is an amphibious radio control car. This is the box it comes in. This thing is pretty cool. So it has full motion controls, will work in the snow, work on land, will work in the water. You'll see a video up in the corner of the screen that's kind of showing you me racing this around the backyard and hitting the pool and etc. So everything you get in the box, once you open it up, you're going to get, of course, an instruction manual, which you don't really need to consult that, but if you have questions, it's there for you. You are going to get a screwdriver, which will be used to open the compartment in the bottom. You're going to get a rechargeable battery, and then this is the USB battery charger. You'll get the remote control, and then you'll get the car itself. So we'll first go on the remote control. There's a toggle button here, on off. So you just switch this into the on mode. This right here, you twist this to rotate the car in a 360-degree pattern, and then pull back and it'll go forward, pull forward, and it'll go backwards. And then on the bottom here is it takes two AA batteries to power the remote. And then the car itself, as you can see, the way it's designed is it's proportioned, so no matter which way it flips, it'll always be able to go, which is great because there's a lot of remote control cars. As soon as they get going really fast, which this is super fast, and it hits something, it ends up on its back, and then you got to go fetch it and flip it back over. So this thing can flip all over the place, and it will continue to go. I guess if somehow you get it to go like that, it may have a hard time getting back over, but I have not ended up in that position. So the wheels are also kind of a holox plastic, so that's what helps it go in the water. Just make sure on the bottom side here, there's these two little green flaps, and these are drainage holes, so that way if the water gets in it, that way you can drain it out. And then on the front here, this is the power button. You just press that to activate it. This little light will start blinking. And then on the bottom here is the battery compartment. So the battery, once it's full charged, you just plug this into a USB outlet, or plug it into your computer, it'll charge up. And then plug it on the device. The battery's not ideal setup. I mean, I'm not a fan of, I would have rather just had like a solid rechargeable battery that didn't have this USB thing, or just took regular batteries, because I always feel this is a little kind of flimsy, but you know, it works. It's not the end of the world. That would be kind of my only somewhat complaint about it. So kind of put that on here. Then make sure the cover's on, and you want to make sure that it's completely screwed in. Otherwise, you're going to get water in the battery compartment if it hits any water, and that could short circuit it. So you want to make sure that this is nice and tight and water sealed. And then I'll kind of turn it on, let you kind of see how it goes here. So now it's all screwed up. You just press the button, it's linked, remote control, turn this on. So flip that on, and then here you go. So as you can see, forward rest, and then twisting this alternates the wheel so that way it can turn around. So that's kind of it. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. Feel free to check it out, see what other people are saying about it. Hit me up in the comments. I do typically respond if you got any questions. And till the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.